Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over the two different ways that you can go about confirming your bank account through your PayPal, and I'll link this article down in the description if you'd like to check it out for yourself. There's two different ways to do this, whether you do a confirm instantly, and if this option is available to you when you're entering in your bank information, what you're going to do is use your user ID and password that you use to log in to your bank account. And then PayPal is going to match this information with your bank to confirm your account ownership. This is the easiest way to do that. But the other way to do it is by entering in your bank account information, and then PayPal is going to send you two small deposits, and then you can use the amount of those small deposits to confirm your bank account in your PayPal wallet. So now I'm going to go over to my PayPal account and show you how you would go about doing these two different ways to confirm a bank account. So when you're logged into your PayPal account, what you want to do is head on over to the Wallet tab. And then if you're looking to confirm a bank account with those two small deposits, all you have to do is click on the bank account over here on the side, and then you can enter in the two small deposits in the verification area. And also, just to quickly go over, when you link a bank account, which you can do in the Wallet tab by clicking this option up here where it says Link a Bank. Let's say we were going to link a Chase bank account, so we would click on the Chase option. You can also search for your bank in this area to try to find it if it doesn't show up on this first page. But let's just say, for instance, we were linking a Chase bank account. We'd click on that. And then the two different options to link that we went over earlier in this video was the instant way, which is using your login username and password, and then click Agree and Link. And as long as you enter in your credentials correctly, this should allow for an instant confirmation of your bank account. The other way to do it is by linking your bank account. This is going to take a little bit longer, approximately 2 to 3 business days, but you click where it says Link Your Bank Another Way. And what you're going to use is select whether that's a checking or a savings account, and you're going to enter in your routing number and account number, which you can find at the bottom of your checkbook. So you enter in that information and then click Agree and Link. And what PayPal is going to do is they're going to send you two small deposits. Within maybe about 2 to 3 business days, you should get these small deposits into your account, and then you just need to take note of the amount that these deposits are for. And then going back to the Wallet tab, selecting My Bank Account, you can see that my status is already confirmed. But if you haven't confirmed your bank account yet, you'd be able to select a verification option in this area. You enter in the two small deposit amounts, and then at that point, as long as you enter in the small deposit amounts correctly, it should confirm the status of your bank account. So I hope this video was helpful, going over the two different ways that you can go about confirming your bank account through your PayPal, and I'll link this article down in the description on how to confirm a bank account if you'd like to check it out for yourself. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.